Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the last video on this product. I started thinking after you've done everything and you're looking at it really close, ungroup it. Well, let's select it all. Select everything, go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. We've got a couple of the snowflakes that are really close, and this could cause a little bit of problem. It could break. You could make it quite a bit stronger by taking the shaping tool and select that one, holding down the control and shape and selecting that one, and just move this further along. And then you can always use the virtual segment delete key to delete that. And then we have one more. It's right down here that's really close, and it would add a lot of strength. And these are together, so you could select them both and just move it, smart fill it, or virtual segment delete key. And then to finalize it, I would take it's gonna select the outer box or outer circle. So then just move your letters out of the way. And this is a good proof that you've taken away the hairline so it will not cut out. And then bring your outer one back and then use your smart fill tool on the outside, and it's gonna seal everything. And then you can move it over, left click, right click, take your Emily and put it back. And now you're good to go for sure. And it'll be a lot stronger. I think I messed up a little bit in the first one. Part of the snowflake's gone, but that doesn't really matter. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.